Hey everyone, I got this tubular padlock here. It's a dynalok made by Dynation Corp, Little Falls, New Jersey. Got this tubular tension wrench that I made, and I'm going to try and pick it. With a slim short hook. There, it's halfway picked. Gotta pick it 2 times because once you turn it to one position and the pins reset, so I gotta pick it once more. Oh, fudge. Reset it. Oh, okay. Try and be careful this time. There we go. It's the first tubular lock that I've owned, and first tubular lock that I've picked. I'm pretty excited about that. Thanks for watching. Peace.